Welcome to another Nucida video. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our certified QA experts will reply in time. It's never been easier to manage tests at scale than with Xray Test Management. Xray is a Jira native software test management app that ensures your testing and development teams are collaborating to achieve the highest quality products. With Xray, you'll never deliver broken or untested code again. Xray is a comprehensive test management solution that uses Jira native issue types to specify, organize, plan, and execute tests. With Xray, you can create your tests and add preconditions, organize them using the test sets or the test repository, plan your test strategy, and finally execute tests and report the status. Now, Xray offers the Xray Enterprise, the next level of native quality management, and the extension of Xray Test Management for Jira. I will show you the most important enterprise features in an overview now. With Xray Enterprise, you'll have test case versioning now. In Xray Enterprise, the power to meticulously refine and adapt your testing approach is at your fingertips. Imagine seamlessly sculpting and refining your test cases across multiple iterations and diverse test types like manual, cucumber, or custom automated scripts. Picture effortlessly tracking the evolution of your test specifications, switching between versions to witness the intricacies of change. But it doesn't stop there. With Xray Enterprise, you're not just limited to a linear progression of test case versions. You can have multiple active versions coexisting harmoniously, each ready to be executed independently, serving as distinct snapshots of your testing landscape. On top of that, if you find that you have a lot of versions and you want to clean and manage a bit all the available versions, you can just go here, manage the versions, and here on this display, you can set as default, archive, and delete versions. If the test versions have been added to a test execution, the system will keep a copy for that test execution or test run, so you can still archive or delete here on the version. The main goal here is to be able to have multiple versions of the same test within a test key, and there is no need to create multiple test cases. Next, there is the Test Case Designer, a feature that enables a new way to think about how you create and maintain your test sets. Benefiting from intelligent augmentation algorithms, test sets created by the Test Case Designer have been repeatedly proven to find more defects and find them more efficiently than unselected test sets. To this end, the tool carefully constructs combinations of test conditions to achieve the highest possible requirements coverage with the fewest possible tests. So, the Test Case Designer is a new way for Xray users to be able to create model-based test scenarios, which then they can synchronize and make changes to the original model, which are reflected on the fly to Xray. You can import models from Excel sheets if you follow that structure, or you can also do that by importing a mind map. The system will not only generate all the possible interactions from the imported or defined model, but also optimize the best code or test coverage in relationship to the minimal possible number of tests being generated. I'm just using two-way interactions or pairwise testing, and the system is already telling us that he is only proposing to create 56 scenarios out of almost 2,000. After test case optimization, you can directly create the test scripts defining the automatic and manual tests. By the way, you can define automatic tests based on the cucumber or the robot framework. Moving on to remote jobs triggering. Your teams are already using Xray every day, and they have their workflows built into Jira. Knowing how important it is to simplify the way teams work, communicate, and collaborate, users can now trigger pre-configured remote jobs directly from a test plan or test execution. So, most of the companies today have integrations with CI/CD platforms. With this new Xray Enterprise feature at project-level settings, you can control your test environments. It means that this configuration can be done once, and you can add here as many configurations as you want, and then trigger them within the tests, or the test plans themselves. Right now, Xray Enterprise supports out-of-the-box Jenkins, Bamboo, GitHub, GitLab, and Azure DevOps, and the configuration is rather easy to do. So in the test plan or test execution, the tester can click the trigger and the build, or any automation will be executed. Test management shouldn't be a burden to your team. That's why over 4.5 million testers worldwide trust Xray to deliver the highest quality products faster than ever before. Break the silo between testing and development, and integrate them under the same tool set with Xray for Jira. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our ISTQB, ITK, Xray, and TestRail certified QA experts will reply in time or even produce a separate video about your topic. Please also check out our other over 200 videos about software quality. Happy testing. See you next time.